Oh, hello, this is Tak Chung from Walk with Tak. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share. Oh, hello again. Welcome back. Well, can you imagine cooking a lo mein dish like this that is quick and delicious? Yes, you can do it in less than 7 minutes. This dish has 7 different kinds of vegetables, and on top of that, it has some tofu as well. If you want to eat food that is healthy and delicious, I don't think you can beat a dish like this. In fact, this dish is in the quality of some of the best restaurants. And the wonderful thing is that you can make this right at home. When I first showed my friend Joe how to cook this dish, he told me that, well, this is really too simple for it to be that good. And the secret is my fast cooking system. With flavor chasing, advanced prepping, stir frying, and template-based cooking, you can cook almost anything that you want. And the result is practical, efficient, rapid, and delicious. So okay, let's get into the kitchen and see how this is done. I start with some thinly sliced carrots and followed by crushed ginger. The hot oil will extract flavor from them. And next I add some fermented black soybean to flavor the dish. And this is followed by a handful of Brussels sprouts. I use 2 different kinds of bok choy in this dish. The first kind is known as a Taiwanese baby bok choy, and then I follow by adding something called Shanghainese baby bok choy. By having these 2 different kinds of bok choy, it will make the dish more interesting. This is also the benefit of advanced prepping because I have them all ready. And next, I add some fermented firm tofu. They are excellent to serve as meat substitute. And the primary reason that I could use so many different kinds of ingredients in this dish is because of advanced prepping. As my friend Joanne often told me, that advanced prepping is like putting money in the bank. And you can use them anytime you want, and they will always be there ready for you. One of my YouTube subscriber, Carlos, told me that he would not have doing stir fry if not because of advanced prepping. He loves stir fry because he sees that stir fry is the ultimate cooking technique that combines different cooking methods all in one. He told me that the thing he really liked about stir fry is that he can fry the ingredient first and then he can steam them right afterward in the same wok. The end result is that he could now cook dishes that he would not be able to cook in the past. This lo mein dish is an excellent example to demonstrate how you stir fry the ingredient first and then you steam them to achieve the type of texture that you would like. As you can see here, once you understand the basic principle how to cook this dish, you can substitute any of the ingredients in there depending on your personal preference as well as what is available to you. As I have learned from my cousin Marge, that a good tasting dish also has to be a good looking dish. And this is part of the flavor chasing process because flavor also includes the appearance of the food. And of course, taste is most important. So I'm going to season this dish with a combination of oyster sauce and hoisin sauce. And this is part of my flavor chasing strategy. The noodle that I use here is simple spaghetti pasta noodles. I have them cooked in advance and stored in the refrigerator, and they are good for about a week. And they turn out to be great for lo mein. I have learned from my cousin Marge to add oyster sauce directly to the noodles before you mix them in. That will give the noodles much better flavor. As usual, I'm learning from other people all the time. Well, last but not the least, I found some colored bell pepper in my advanced prepping, so it is something that I can put in to make the lo mein look more beautiful. With all these different ingredients, it makes this lo mein dish not only delicious and beautiful, but at the same time, very nutritional. Now, this dish might look complicated on the surface because it has 7 to 8 different ingredients. However, you can see here, cooking this dish is actually quite simple. And when I show my friend Joe how to cook this dish, afterward he told me that he felt like this is cheating because he could not believe that you can cook such a beautiful dish with so little time. Of those of you who are new to stir fry, you might wonder how hard would it be to clean up afterward. Cleaning the wok after cooking this dish is relatively simple and it takes only about 2 to 3 minutes. And this is the reason that I like stainless steel wok, because the cleanup is very straightforward. Have you started advanced prepping? If not, I hope this video will convince you the power and the efficiency of advanced prepping in helping you with your cooking. And when you combine advanced prepping with stir frying, you now has the foundation of my fast cooking system. Together, they will allow you to cook a meal from scratch using all fresh ingredients in less than 30 minutes. And this is the first step for you to create a sustainable home cooking system. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share. I'll see you next time.